Koblai sibon fibra kena ke video bamta ngan pentip sapi ya ki khubor lajam bala penmi deka MBMA lane Meghalaya Basin Management Agency te ngakarpa te phi bapen page ya kena ke video hado bandakot kenang bapen sutu ba syapang kena ki post ka jaka bantrei ka tulop karno bat kumju ro ya ka qualification kabadai bat kena ki post tingin page ya ka notification balapan mi deka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. The Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA invite online application from eligible candidate in prescribed format to fill up the following position on contractual basis. The detailed information regarding the application from link, advertisement, notification, and term of reference are available in the MBDA website http://www.mbda.gov.in. Jika code online application ya ki candidate ki balong eligible bakin pendap ya ke application form bat ya kini ki post kandai haka contractual basis. Jeki jing tenkam haka badai bat kini ki post tetapi kuat bantip company ya ban le haka website MBDA website nang wapinyo ya ka notification lane ki jing tenkam bat kumjuru ban pule company haka badai bat kini ki post pengin page ki post balaj kakurteng jong ki post kadai manager agronomist desirable qualification pidai papendap ya ka bachelor lane master degree in agriculture, biotechnology, microbiology, plant genetic or any related subject pidai bandon kawai ka subject na pedeng kine nangta experience minimum 5 year of work experience in organic farming, sustainable agriculture or crop production, soil control, soil management, disease prevention pidai bandon experience hakabaidai bat kine ki post nangta essential skill pidai banang bantho bat kumno bapentip kamba ya kini ki post bat pidai banang ro syapang ki komputer kata kadai kumka word processing spreadsheet and PowerPoint presentation bat kiwai ki dai kiba don kam baha number of post kadon atli ki post jong ka manager agronomist list of posting kajaka bantrei kadai hapo shelong bat ka salary lane katulop kadai live kanda hajar aka si benai ka snem bapia ban apply kadai hado saup sansnem katulop kadai ketkum balak kadawanang nangta house rent allowance and mobile allowance will be included additionally as may be admissible from time to time. Duration of contract kadai system bat kidang laru ban extend ketkum ka performan ka jongpi hakabadai bat kini ki post kumna ban apply pat ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply pihak ban apply online haka application form from the following link dengan saburu apakah description below ya ka link ki ba apply ki haban submit online day offline te haka purwa pendap pule bah ya ki jing tenkam baro haka badai bat ka qualification kamtam ya ki snem ka kerteng kmi kpa kerteng gajong pi ka kelas ka ki bro pidai ban page bah te katarik ban pedang ya ka application kandai hadu live tarik September arjar apsau hadu san baje janmet nangta ka selection process a cover letter on candidate suitability and internet in the position is mandatory for the position application filling the application will be rejected. There will be a written assignment and personal interview for the position. Written test will be comprised of subject matter knowledge, general knowledge, reasoning and English. The written test lane personal interviews will be held only in Shillong. Teha kabadai bakine boro ladak pikwa ban pule bahaya ka notification misalnya jaka website www.mbda.gov.in baknang mapenyo ban pule bahaya ki jingkam baro. Detang kini kicing betip hakabadai bat kine blai sibon.